I'm Don. I'm from Canmore, Alberta, Canada, and I'm at Snowbird, Arizona for the last 10 years. I'm 80 years old, and I've had some problems with the knees and coming down here, not because I came down here, but as age went on. I used to ski a lot, and I realized that the skis got faster and my brakes got older, so I had to do something to repair, and that's been the knee. So I looked for stem cell, and then I found Dr. Fischer here, which we had injection last year, and it worked out very favorable for me. I've had no pain whatsoever at night with my knee. I can do most things that I want to do. The good part is that I generally golf maybe 3 times a week. I have no ill effects from that whatsoever. Also I walk probably 10 steps or 10,000 steps a day. And with all of that being said, I feel pretty happy with it. I certainly have no problem in recommending Dr. Fischer to his patients, and he certainly tells you as it is. And I've been very fortunate at my age that I can do the things I can without having to go into knee surgery, which I kind of dreaded. I had a lot of friends who've done that, but it takes you out of commission for a few months, and there's other areas of danger that are in there, such as infection, etc. But anyway, my feeling is that I'm very happy with it.